Think of China, and porcelain probably comes to mind. But Isin in the east of the country is home to another very distinct type of pottery.
This city is famed for its цзы-ша teapots. The clay and artistry used to make them are unique.
Over in Europe, Paul is getting to grips with a completely different artistic tradition.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Welcome to Crossing Cultures. Join us as we explore the ties that bind both China and Europe.
Creating a czы-ша clay teapot is a meticulous endeavor. Deeply rooted in Исин culture, a key part of this rich heritage involves carving. Ke Qingyu is a specialist.
Recognized for her intricate work, she skillfully incorporates Chinese calligraphy and painting into her designs.
我们是把我们中国传统画融入在我们的这个紫砂壶上。那我们要做到的呢，就是以刀代笔，用我们非常坚硬的刻刀刻出这个画面的效果。我们中国画讲究的是笔墨浓淡，那我们那个刀就是刻出这种笔墨浓淡的一个效果。那主要就是用这个刀面去刻。
Czı-ша clay epitomizes Chinese culture. This versatile material is used to make teapots, vases, and more. Imagery and calligraphy often adorn each piece to convey deep cultural meaning.
你手里的这个紫砂壶是半成品，
它的烧制以后啊，它肯定是会缩小的。我们的这个泥它是有收缩比的。我在做这款壶的时候，我是想要把我们那个冬天的这个竹子融入在这个壶面上。这把壶不仅仅用了陶刻的手法，我还用了泥绘的手法。那泥绘也是我们紫砂的这个白泥，把它当做颜料一样做这个装饰，相当于这个画面用到的是减法和加法的手法。
就是刻是减法，
对，泥
绘是
加法，那这样它感觉整个效果出来就会更加有层次感。
Czı-ша clay is mined in Huanglong Mountain near Исин. It is then refined to achieve a perfect texture and shaped by hand. The potter assembles the body, lid, and spout, ensuring a seamless fit and balanced form. Finally, the teapot is fired in a kiln, enabling the clay's natural colors and textures to come to life.
Now from one key craft here in China to another in France. Paul has more.
Hidden in the far corner of northeastern France, Sent-Lui crystal has been making spellbinding works of art for almost 500 years. And just as Zhizhaware captures the essence of Chinese craftsmanship, glassmaking wonderfully reflects Europe's artistic heritage. Among Sent-Louis's most iconic creations are its paperweights.
Oh, what are you doing right now?
Alors là, je suis en train de fabriquer des fleurs pour futurs presse-papier.
And what are the key skills for this type of work?
C'est vraiment une passion de vouloir réaliser un presse-papier. Il faut être en même temps créateur, designer, artiste d'un côté aussi, pour pouvoir réaliser, fabriquer le presse-papier.
Ange is a meilleur ouvrier de France, one of the finest artisans of this craft. Part of the process involves pulling molten crystal to extraordinary lengths.
This is crazy. They're actually stretching the glass, and look how far it goes.
Stretched more than 30 meters, when cool, a rod like this will be cut and combined with others. These combinations are then stretched again to make intricate floral patterns. Known as millefiori, the tiny pieces are later arranged into a mould. Finally, crystal is poured inside this to magnify the beautiful design. One of the factory's most prestigious collections features the Chinese zodiac.
Look at this exquisite piece, crafted for 2024 to mark the Year of the Dragon. Wonderful.
And how does it actually feel once you've finished a piece?
Je suis content de moi. C'est au niveau du résultat qu'on se rend compte du bon et beau travail qu'on a réalisé. En équipe, bien sûr.
But it's not just paperweights, and they're not to the Orient. Sent-Lui has been making vases, tableware and chandeliers for centuries. Each piece a delicate dance between time and artistry.
Le côté artistique est très important dans le métier de verrier. Quand on voit la complexité des pièces, il faut vraiment avoir un sens artistique pour la beauté de la pièce, pour la beauté du geste.
What do you love about this job?
Donc le plus beau dans ce job, c'est vraiment de transmettre le savoir-faire. La cristallerie a au moins plus de 400 ans, donc il faut transmettre ces savoir-faire, sinon ça n'a pas de sens.
The work done here is a testament to individual skill and teamwork.
All right, let's leave the heat and head over to the cold workshop. Come on.
What happens on one side of the factory affects the other. That's especially true for the cutting and engraving workshop. Precision is vital, otherwise it's back to the very beginning.
Ça demande beaucoup de rigueur et de concentration. Et dans tout ça, il y a l'automatisme qu'on va répéter en fait à chaque fois, avec tous les points où il faut être vigilant pour avoir un motif parfait.
Every piece produced at St-Louis is unique. A true expression of a traditional craft that transcends time.
The area around Исин has shaped the region's tea culture, with its lush bamboo forests, tea plantations, and pure spring water.
When all this is combined with a цзы-ша clay teapot, the result is the perfect tea drinking experience.
第一个呢，就是我们讲茶要泡开。用我们紫砂壶泡的话呢，就是很容易就会把茶泡开，因为它的温度你可以摸一下，温度很高。有点烫手，对吧？我们练茶、学茶都会说是从练烫手开始的。这个壶啊，我们可以理解它是一个会呼吸的器具啊。然后我们平时的时候泡茶呢，把茶投进去以后，如果时间焖得久以后，它不会有闷味。
цзы-ша teapots go far beyond their practical use. Thanks to Chinese scholars, they have become a symbol of elegance. The transformation from earth to refined art reflects a deep connection with nature, turning the act of tea drinking into a celebration of culture.
像我们紫砂壶的话，其实你看着它由刚刚从窑里面拿出来，它有火气，到最后越用的话，它的光泽、气韵会给你带来愉悦，身心愉悦。它打在手上叫把玩。所以它是一个增加了很多文化的符号，就代表中国人的很多的情怀。像只有是一把紫砂壶，它是能够跟你的主人，或者说我送给你那个朋友，它能够产生情感的一个沟通，它是这个载体。
So there you have it, a close-up of one of the most beautiful artistic traditions of China and France. That's it for this edition of Crossing Cultures. Until the next time, thanks for watching.